Okay, Bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So, my name is Umar Putra Usman, and this question, I will do a presentation about my portfolio, or known as students' work and achievement in 2024 and 2025. So here, let's move on to my project, OLED IDEAN. Here we go. We'll start with Scratch. This is my first game, IDEAN. This game named Catching Fruit. So yeah, this is the first game that I have made in IDEON in 7th grade. And how to play this game? So as you can see here, there is start. So we'll being the player. We'll play as a bowl, yeah. And our task in this game is for catching the fruit, as the name. Yeah, as you can see from the name, it's catching fruit. So you must catch the fruit, and there are some insect that you have to avoid it, and be careful with the red insect because it's taking a lot of damage. And then this is the second, is the defender. This is the remake of my the of the project, the original project. The original project is the defender, and I just add number two. And in here we'll play as a tank that uh, as a tank, and our task in this game is to our place defend our area from the enemy. So we must to destroy the enemy and defend and keep our place safe from the enemy. Oh yeah, and in this game there are three levels: easy, normal, and hard. Yeah, this is the first game that using a uh, level system. And then next, oh my god, sorry, like, okay, and sorry for the internet issue. Sorry for the technical problem. And this is, and let's continue. This is my third, as I remember, my third project in Scratch. Islamic manners when studying. Yeah, the design is very bad because I never learned design before I grade. So yeah, here, uh, this is not, this is actually not game. I don't know actually this is a game or not. I don't know, but in here we'll get teach how to do how to be a good kid when studying. Yeah, so this game will teach you um, is an Islamic manner when some Islamic manner when studying, such as like listen and do not disturb each other, and yeah, much more. And here there are two types. There are the male and female. I don't know what's that for, but yeah. And the third, and the fourth, yeah, oh guys. So actually, in this game, you are being the imposter, and you must to kill. Wait, you must to eliminate the other crewmate. And in here, there are two choices also for the camera and for the cursor. So if you're using cursor, you can and use your cursor to eliminate all the crewmate. But if you are using camera, you must to waving your hand to the crewmate, and yeah, it will eliminate the crewmate. And in here, there are one crewmate that using shield. Be careful with that because that crewmate can know that you are the imposter because because he is using shield. Okay, next. This is my yep. This is the game called Umar Hope. And in here we are need to helping this guy to jumping uh, across the land to get a diamond. Yeah, it's very simple. And next, this I have no name for this game. Maybe Pac-Man eating apple. And here we have one block here. This is our character, a block, and you have to, I forget, move your cursor or uh, using the arrow key to move this and help this guy to eat all this apple. And if this guy is falling down, you'll lose. Next is other Pac-Man. This is Pac-Man and Ghost Dimension. Maybe this is my best game because I've never made any game after this. This is my best game. So this is actually technique. So this is okay. This game have story. It's about Pac-Man that get trapped inside of the Ghost Dimension, and this game have two level. The first is we must do collecting all the points. I forgot what's the points to escape from the first room. And second room, there is an exam. Yeah, exam. And if we done in that exam, we'll escape. And the task of this player is to help take this Pac-Man out from the dimension. Okay, then next is my WordPress or my website. So here we go. This is my first website that I've ever made, and yeah, it's still bad. I've never like what I've said before. Uh, I've never learned how design before, how to design before, and yeah, this is my website. And here there is home. This is the home page, and there's other page. It's about. So if you want to know more about me, you can see in the second page. It's about, and third is my portfolio. Yeah, as you can see here, this is my portfolio, and fourth is my projects. So inside of that, there are three others projects: IT, English, and Dinya. And you can see all my video, demo, and project in that place. And next, Google site. This is also a website, but yeah, it's made by Google, and you can visit this website by uh, in https site.google.com/view/ups-web. And yeah, this is my website. This is the same like my website before, but it's made or it's made by Google site. As you can see here, this is my picture, this is my description, and this is my name. It's the same. There's home, about, video, project, and contact. So yeah, okay, next. This is my school website. And here I so in so we have to make a website that telling about our old school. And I've made this, my school website. And here this is like a profile, a school profile. So here there's home, there's about contact us. So if you want to contact the school, you can go to contact us. And then there is PPDB, or the registration for entering the school. And then there's news, all news about the school, and information. I don't know what is the difference between news and information, but yeah. There is academic, so you can see all of the academic things here. And there's the profile, so if you want to see more about the profile. Next is my mosque website. Here I am making a website for the mosque near my house. Yeah, and there's nothing special with this website actually, but yeah. as usual, there is home, about, and event. Yeah, inside of the event, you can see all of the event that this mosque do, such as charity and others. And then there is activities. Yeah, activities. Oh no, events. So the event in this mosque, such as like lecture and others. And then for the activities, it's about, yeah, the activities of this mosque, like charity and others. And then donation, if you want to donation to this mosque. And then contact, if you want to contact this mosque, maybe you want to be the cleaner or the cleaner and or other. Yeah. And then the next, my travel website. So this is the website that I make for, I forget. So in here you can booking, traveling, you can traveling and booking a hotel. Yeah, and you can rent a car also in here. As you can see, this is my travel website. Yeah, as usual, as you, there's nothing special about this website. This is just a travel website that I made. Yeah, you can see other travel website for the reference. And this is Buildbox. So this is also actually this is also game, but this game is 3D. Yeah, and yeah, this is my first game. Is Running Ball. So Running Ball is one of game that I've made in Buildbox. And here we'll play as a ball that's running across the road stage. Yeah, and we must to avoid the sharp things. Yeah, you know, if ball touch sharp things, it will explode. So we have to avoid it, and that's it. Next, switching ball. This is the same, almost the same with running ball, but this is harder. As you can see here, this is hard as hell. Yeah, it's hell. Okay, and here there is point, as you can see. And if you enter to this circle, green things, you will get point. But if you go to this red or these red things, you will lose. You will game over. The game will over. And the next, crossing road. So if you know, yeah, crossing road. So here we'll playing as a box that crossing the road. And here, as you can see, here there's a score. And if you reach this other white platform, you will get one score, and yeah, you will win. But if you fall down going to these red things, or you crash this, you touch these white long things, you will get the game will over. And this is jumping cube. So here you play as a cube, the jumping, and as usual you must to collect the point and avoid the yeah, these red things, and do not fall. Next is the dino game. So this dino game is the only 2D game that I've made in Buildbox, because yeah, Buildbox is for 3D game, and there are many drama in here, such as bug and others. But yeah, alhamdulillah, we've made it, and this is the dino game. Just like the usual classic dino game, you have to jump, avoid the cactus, and get the score as much as you can. The next, Figma. This is my first Figma. It's flat illustration. I know it's bad, and yeah, it's just only a flat illustration, a man illustration. And because I cannot drawing, I take the example from others here. And yeah, I have nothing to say. Next, nah, this is a poster dakwah. Okay, this is typo. This is a poster dakwah. This is dakwah poster about uh, the causes of human heart broken. Yeah, and yeah, so the main of the so why I make this dakwah poster, because this dakwah poster is made for reminding, yeah, for reminders, as the name is dakwah, so yeah, it's reminders about the causes of human heart broken. And yeah, the point of this poster dakwah is about this, the what uh, the hadith. So if it's sahih, we can trust, but if it's not, yeah, it's not trustable. And this is the other dakwah poster, but this is Instagram post. And yeah, I made, and this is different than and the poster before. Before is A4 paper. It's a poster that you print in the paper, but here is Instagram post. So the poster that you post on Instagram. And here we go. It's about time is like sword. And this is not hadith. This is a quote from Imam Shafi'i. And yeah, next, this is the visual merchant. This is actually the same with my poster before, as you can see here. It's the same. It's the same theme, but this is the merchandise. So I make it to be a cloth, and yeah, it's actually the same, but I modified it a little bit, so it's being a cloth. And maybe you can print it in real life if you can. And next is my UI UX design, my coffee app. And this is my first good my this is my best design, I think, because I cannot design. And in here we can do the things like ordering, going ordering, seeing the preview, and others. But of course, you cannot buy it because it's only UI UX. It's only the user interface and user experience. So you can only click it, but yeah, there's nothing. Next, it's infographic poster. Yeah, this is still that. And yeah, I'm talking about the history of instant noodle. It's from Japan, and he is making a noodle. Yeah, the usual noodle, but he make it dry. And yeah, and then he make a cup noodle. And yeah, cup noodle being famous, and the other join to make instant noodle. And then this is my uh what digital manipulation. So yeah, here I'm making this is funny actually, why I make this uh digital manipulation. It's because I am looking for a picture and will write a documentation. And then I found this when we go to Gunung Gede. We went to Mount Gede. And yeah, I take it and I edit it to be a foggy mountain with this black guy in here. Next is microbit. Yeah, the image is bugging, no problem. Next, here is my first project, find follower. So will be there's a robot, like a car, maybe here, and it will following the line and avoiding the white line. And if there is no uh, there's no the line, it will stop. As I remember. Yeah. Next, remote control. So here I'm making this robot, the line follower before. I edit the code and I make it to be I make it to be a remote control. No, I make it can be controlled by this remote control, and I can control it by this remote control. And it's using infrared, still using infrared. So if there is other person that using the same remote and pointed in your car, it will move. So the other can stall your car. Next, candy machine. This candy machine, this the project from Microbit that I think my best project. And here there's the coin place. You can insert coin here, and this your if your money is too much, you can get your change money here. And here is your candy. You can get it from here. And I'm using a power bank for giving the supply to the microcontroller. It's bad. It's just a prototype. Next, disaster alarm. So if you are live in the place that open for disaster, you need this, because these things can detect the disaster. And like the name is disaster alarm. So here, as you can see, there's there's line here, kind of things. So here is the line for detecting the earthquake and the water level. So if there is a flood in your house, you can detect it. So you can just put the sensor under and you can see the water. Next is the greenhouse. It's just a greenhouse, greenhouse. Not It's not a house that green. It's a house with a plant inside. And here you can control the humidity and others. So you can monitoring your plant, and you can know the humidity of your greenhouse and others, so you can make your plant safe. Next is husbandry. It's the robot that can detect the environment of the husbandry. So for example, your chicken is poop and you don't know when. And with this machine, with these things, you can detect if the husbandry is dirty or not, or if the husbandry is good or bad, so you can clean it or change it. Next is CapCut. So this the CapCut video is my first Parallax video. So it's just a video about guy with these background things, and we move it with the background moving to the left and right, and the guy becoming bigger. I forget, bigger or smaller, and just only that. Next is my company profile video, and here I'm making about IDN. So I'm telling how how the environment in IDN, how the system in IDN and others. I telling what is the advantage of IDN and why you must to join to IDN. I would recommend. And the next is Dakwa video. Dakwa video, and here I'm making a Dakwa video. This is the same like the poster, the Dakwa poster before, but this video. And here I'm doing a kind of speech in front of the camera, and I edit it, and I'm talking about Islamic religion. And like the name is dakwah, so you must put hadith and other. Next is Arduino smart home. So if here you can control all of the things in your home from your microcontroller, maybe. And here I'm making the door can open by itself by using ultrasonic sensor, and the lamp on if there is a movement, and other. Next, it's a greenhouse again, and this is the same like the microbit before, but harder, because if we are using Arduino, we must code it using a syntax code, and if it's microbit, it's only by using block code. So this is harder, but the things is the same. And next, smart farm. And this is the same like before. You can check the environment, we can check the humidity, but here there is a watering plant. So we can watering the plant automatically. So if you are kind of guy that always forget about your plant until your plant being dried and being chocolate, and you need this. Next is smart door. This is actually one of things that I've already put in my smart house, smart home, smart home. And but why not? And here the door, if the door is detecting motion, I forgot it's a motion or what, nearby the door, it will automatically open. But the disadvantage of this is if there's someone nearby your door and that guy have no permission, he can directly enter. So next is the weather station. So if you put here we are making a weather station, so we can detect the weather. We can detect the weather. So if you put this sensor outside, maybe you can check the humidity, check the sun maybe, and others. Next, it's Codular. Okay, here is the profile card. It's only a profile card. I have nothing to explain, but the advantage of this profile card is it's cooler than a usual profile card. The usual profile card, it's only card, but here is an application, so you can show your identity by using application. So if someone asks about your identity, you can show your phone and done. Next, it's radio app. So this is actually a normal app. It's radio app. So by the name you have already know, it's a radio, and radio is live. So here you can doing live streaming radio, an Islamic radio, anywhere, anytime, if you have internet, maybe. And only using your phone anywhere, anytime, and if you have internet, as long as you have internet. Next, talk to me. So if you have friend that cannot reading, maybe you can just click here to record and record your voice, and your friend can learn how to read. Or if you can learn how to read, and you can click type something here, and then type something here, and then if your friend cannot read, if you cannot read, you can just copy the typing and put it here and click speak, so you know what that guy said to you, even you cannot reading. So you can just type here and click speak. It's just like text to speech, but it's text to speech. Next is Find My Age. So here, this application can detect, are you a teenager, old, old man or even baby. I don't know how baby can type, but yeah, it can detect your age. Yeah, and maybe you forget about your age. You can just using this and remind yourself, yeah, about your age. Next is the calculate app. Here, this is the most useful app that I've ever made because the app before is useless for me. And yeah, here we have a calculator. As usual, calculator is doing all the calculator things. Some of the calculator things, this as like times, divide, divine, and others. And here there's calculator, circle, rectangle, rhombus, and other. So if you are lazy or you don't know the how to count a circle, you can click it and put the circumference, and you can see the the area and others. And the same with the rectangle, rhombus, square, trapezoid, and others. Yeah, so we can count easier here. Next is flutter. Yeah, it's bugging again. No problem. Next, here is Bitaqwa app. So in here, so this app is the application that will help the Muslim around the world, not around Indonesia. Heaven, for it's Heaven International. So yes, around Indonesia. So here is there's inspiration. So if you are bored, you don't need to scroll Instagram or others. You scroll this app, and you can see inspiration here. There's a poster about tahajud, the importance of tahajud, and other poster here. So you can scroll this app as you scroll Instagram and other, and it's more halal. And the next, there's doa. So if you forgot how to pray, what is the prayer uh, after entering the mosque, you can click this and looking for it. It's very helpful because some of Muslim in Indonesia don't know how to pray. Yeah. And then next, this is zakat counter. So it will count your zakat from your money. So for example, you have money 1 million or more, you can use this for counting how much is your zakat. Yeah, this is very important because zakat is one of the obligation in our religion. And next, this is one of the important things. Also, it's about praying time. So as you can see here, there's time, and there is your time. There's clock. Yeah, showing your time. This is your location, and this is the prayer time. So you can know the prayer time in your location. Maybe you are in uh, West Java, and you don't know what is the prayer time. You can click this and see the prayer time. And yeah, it's very helpful because for the guy who like to travel. And yeah, next is this. What is this? This is Islamic lecture. So if you are bored, you cannot and you if you are bored and need other things other than scrolling the inspiration, you can click this and joining one of the Islamic lecture. And yeah, okay, sorry for the issue again before. And here we go. English. I don't know where I'm talking before, so we'll just skip to the English. And next is my introduction. This is the introduction of myself, and because you already know me, so next is giving direction with this is the first English conversation that I've made. It's about giving direction with Zaran, and here my English is very bad. Yeah, like that. And next, speech about Tauhid. So here I'm doing speech about Tauhid, such as what is Tauhid Rububiyah, Uluhiyah, Asma wa Sifat, and others. And next, my ENT, Robot Apocalypse. And here is only highlight. So it's only me talking in Adelios ENT, as I remember. And yeah, it's about how to survive in Robot Apocalypse. Next, vlog of daily routine in school. So here, me, Eja, and Fadel is doing a vlog about about our daily routine in school. Next, it's podcast about dream. This is a English final project. So here I'm talking with Apip in front of the camera. I'm talking, and yeah, we are doing a podcast about our dream. Next, a short movie about taking ablution. So here I'm being a guy who don't know how to take ablution, and there is Ustad that come to me and teach me the wrong way how to take ablution, but suddenly there's a good Ustad that teach me the correct way to take ablution. And yeah, and the next is speech about journey of Rasulullah going to Medina. So in here this is actually storytelling, not a speech. So I'm doing a storytelling about how Rasulullah going to Medina, who accompany him, and what happened in the middle of the journey, and others. Next is highlight ENT. Oh my god. Okay, highlight ENT again, but this is me in A grade. And yeah, next it's podcast about startup. And yeah, here I'm doing podcast with Faham about what is startup, and what kind of startup that we want to make, and others. Next is short movie about Dulaginat. And here with my teammate Fadel Erwin Zahran, I'm doing this short movie. And yeah, this is a little bit better than my old short movie. So next is podcast again with Eja about the created project. So here is only me and Eja talking about our created IT project, our all IT project that we have ever made. And yeah, that's it. Next, highlight about mini contest. So before we have seen highlight ENT, but now highlight mini contest. So this is only me during the mini contest about with the theme future or failure. Next, a speech about companion of Prophet Muhammad. This is the same like before. I'm doing a speech, but about one of companion of Prophet Muhammad, and what is the advantage, and what is the and what is companion of Prophet Muhammad, and what is the advantage, and others. Next, oh my god, it's what mini contest again, highlight mini contest, but here I'm doing debate laptop or PC. PC is win. Next, highlight English night talk again, and it's about mini game too, and I forgot what we do in here. Next, it's short movie again about grave torture. So yeah, with my teammate Fadel and Rahim, and I make this short movie. It's about grave torture. So Fadel being a guy who don't want to obey his parents and pass away, and yeah, he get torture. Next, my English practical exam about news anchor with Aul, and yeah, it's about a big riot in downtown area. So here I'm being the reporter and Aul is being the presenter. Next is speech again about dangers of shirk. So what is shirk? What is the dangers of what is shirk? And yeah, others are doing speech. Next is study and project plan. So here I'm doing a presentation about my study and project plan after finishing from IDN. And yeah, next is interview about oh no, this is a one of project that combine 3 projects at once, 3 themes at once. It's about interview, favorite project, and describing country. So yeah, here I am doing interview with my teacher, and I'm telling what is my favorite project, and yeah, I doing a describing country, the country that I want to visit. Next, highlight mini contest again, but here is about procedure text about beverage. So here I'm doing a presentation about the procedure text of beverage. Next, motivational story. So this is my practical exam in 9th grade. It's about motivational story. So I am telling a story that motivational. It's about Bakruddin Yusuf Habibi, or known as B.J. Habibie, with the title From Bridge to Sky. Next, highlight NT again. Now it's about guess the emoji. So yeah, I'm guessing the emoji, and that's it. Next is Dinia, and here we go. This is Arabic conversation. My first Arabic conversation is with Aul, and here I'm talking about I forgot. I'm talking about introduction. So I'm introducing myself to Aul, and Aul is introducing himself to me, and yeah, that's it in Arabic language. Next is story about the birth story of Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. So here I'm telling a story when Rasulullah was born, and yeah, what happened when Rasulullah was born and others. Next, it's hadith. It's only me doing reciting hadith from 1 until 10 from this book. Next, this is the same. Don't care. Next, it's my first Dinia poster. It's about obey the parents, and yeah, this is the as usual. If there's poster dakwah, this is the hadith, and this is the title, and this is the background, and my design is still bad. Thanks. It's about the why we cannot. This is about the prohibition of prejudice. So why we cannot prejudice, and this is the hadith. This is the hadith in Arabic, and this is the meaning, and this is from Bukhari, and yeah. Next, it's about mind mapping about Toharoh. So yeah, this Toharoh, this yeah. Next is the manners of friendship. So here we have first, second, third, and fourth. It's about the manners of friendship. Next is mind mapping Vicky, but yeah, this is different from my last mind making because I have improved, but it's still bad. And this is why next. This is other Arabic conversation. It's about Azan Asar. So it's about me telling my friend that it's already time for pray, but my friend is still working, and I say to him for go to the mosque, and in the end he will go to the mosque and done. Next is lineage of Rasulullah. So here I'm doing a presentation about lineage of Rasulullah from Kilab bin Murrah until Rasulullah Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, as I remember. Next is Arabic conversation again. It's about restaurant. So here there is Fadel and Aul working and go to restaurant, and I'm being the waiter. Next is about Badr War. So here my sirah video again about Badr War. So here I'm telling a story about Badr War with the motion graphic. Next is hadith again, and this is about my other dinia poster. It's about silaturahim, and this is the hadith. Next is about okay, this is my dinia poster again. This is kind of good actually. This is better than my others. And yeah, it's about the distance between the Judgment Day and Rasulullah Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Yeah, then next is the manner of seeking knowledge. Yeah, just like my game before, it's about seeking knowledge. And yeah, this is the point, the point. And yeah, next sirah video is about Rasulullah. The second before Rasulullah passed away. And yeah, this is the book that I take reference from this book. And yeah, next it's mind mapping again about taking care of the jenazah. Yeah, so here we can learn about how to taking care of jenazah, such as bring it to the grave and others. And the next is my other dinia poster. It's about manners in social media. As you can see here, making the social media for being for giving a reward machine, so it can you can get unlimited reward from there. Next, it's about other dinia poster. It's about doing syirik after doing good things. So yeah, if you are doing syirik after you are doing good things, all of your good things will gone, and you will being poor. Next is experience. This is my experience at IDN, and this is EduRace. This is one of my memorable experience with my friends. So here I'm going to Lampung by using public transportation such as train, bus, angkot, if you know angkot, and others. And yeah, and the things that I still remember is this tower, Siger Tower, is still on renovation, so we cannot enter. And yeah, that's it. We don't do anything. And this is IDN teaching. This is one of things why I going to IDN. It's about IDN teaching. So here we are teaching the knowledge that we have. It's about technology. We are teaching we are sharing our technology knowledge with other school. So here is me teaching the Canva design. And yeah, next is volcano mengaji. Yeah, I don't know how to translate it, but volcano mengaji. So here I'm going to Mount Gede, and yeah, we are doing an Islamic lecture in there. And because I thought it was reading Quran, I bring Quran here. And yeah, next is Tadabbur Alam. So here we are back to our first place. If you know, my first place is not here in IDN, but in Lembur Anyar, and we back to that place doing Tadabbur Alam. So what is Tadabbur Alam? Tadabbur Alam is a way to understand nature and see Allah's sign from it. So yeah, we are just learning from the nature. Yeah, that's the point. Next, certificate. So here is my certificate. This is me doing Figma class. This is me doing Figma class. This is me doing a Blogger class. Even I don't remember what is Blogger. Next, this class of data science. It is me doing the Git lesson in Codepolitan. This is me doing this Git again. Oh no, this is actually HTML, but I haven't changed the picture, sorry. And thank you. Maybe that's all from me. Sorry if I have some mistakes, and sorry if my explanation is too long. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.